Hey everyone, Joffrey here, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a quick comparison between the two mid-range contenders that caught the attention of many, the Oppo Reno 12 and the Moto G85. Whether you're hunting for a new device or just love staying up to date with the latest tech, this one's for you. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. Let's just start with its design. Both the Oppo Reno 12 and Moto G85 boast a sleek, modern aesthetics, but they cater to different tastes. The Oppo Reno 12 has a more refined, premium look with its glossy look at the back and a slim profile, while the Moto G85 offers a rugged, with eco leather matte finish back that's fingerprint resistant, making it ideal for those who prioritize durability. Now let's talk about the display. The Oppo Reno 12 features a vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus supports, and a peak brightness of 1200 nits, offering deeper blacks and punchier colors, perfect for multimedia consumption. On the other hand, the Moto G85 comes with the same size, a 6.67-inch POLED screen, also with Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate with a higher peak brightness of 1600 nits. It does offer excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, and both screen with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Now let's move on with the camera department. Camera quality is a major consideration for many of us. The Oppo Reno 12 is equipped with triple camera setup, a 64-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. It excels in low-light conditions and offers AI-enhanced features for stunning shots. The Moto G85 has dual camera setup, a 50-megapixel main camera and 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. While the primary camera holds its own, especially in well-lit environments, the Moto G85 lacks the versatility of the Reno 12's macro camera option. While the front camera both having 50-megapixel selfie shooter, the Oppo Reno 12 having better video capability can capture 4K at 30 FPS, while the Moto G85 can record Full HD at 30 and 60 frames per second. Battery life is another crucial aspect. The Oppo Reno 12 packs a 5000 mAh battery with 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging, which can get you back to full power in about 46 minutes. The Moto G85, however, comes with similar 5000 mAh battery but with a slower 30 watts charging speed. This means the Moto G85 takes more time to juice up. When it comes to performance, the Oppo Reno 12 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy, a 4nm processor with a clock speed of octa-core 2.5 GHz, paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, making it slightly more powerful and efficient, especially for gaming and multitasking. The Moto G85, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3, a 6nm chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 2.2 GHz, paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which is decent for day-to-day tasks but may struggle with more demanding apps and games. So what's the bottom line? The Oppo Reno 12 is your go-to if you are after a more premium design with more versatile camera performance, better CPU and fast charging with a price tag of 1600 dirhams. Meanwhile, the Moto G85 offers a more durable build, great battery life, and a slightly better display with higher nits, all at a likely more affordable price point of 1049 dirhams here in Dubai. Both phones offer great value for money, but the choice ultimately depends on what you prioritize in a smartphone. Let us know in the comments below which one you think suits you best. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.